So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in set space devmgr underscore show underscore non present underscore devices equals 1 and click on enter. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on the view tab on the top. And then you'll click on show hidden devices. And now you want to click on the computer name. And then you'll click on action. And then click on scan folder changes. And now all your devices should be showing now. The device that you want to look for. If that's still not working, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down till you find Windows Audio. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make sure the startup tab is on automatic and that the service status is running. So click on start, which will make it running. And then click on OK. But if you got to this stage and it was already like that, then you want to click on restart the service. Now once you restart the service, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.